Hi, my name is Trisha Jensen, and I am here with GenNext and Rebuilding Together to participate in a community service project helping senior citizens. So we'll be doing some projects today to help them do that, like replacing light bulbs and caulking their windows and just helping them reduce some of their utility bills and things like that. How I Live United is really getting involved with GenNext in the community and focusing on our target neighborhoods to really help improving the quality of life for the citizens that live in that area. My name is Trisha, I live in Westerville, and I live united.